Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in Earl Clear Coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number CS1010.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.